Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about spray tips. We get lots of guys at the parts counter or when we're doing farm visits that they ask about what kind of tips to use, how often you should replace your tips. So a good rule of thumb is about 25,000 acres on a set of tips, and they're pretty much worn out. Over time, the plastic has a tendency to start to wear, and then you start to lose your pattern. The main thing to bear in mind with tips is that normally a set of tips for your sprayer costs less than the first load of product that you spray through it. So even if you err on the side of more often, you know, if you're spraying 15 or 20,000 acres with that sprayer over the year, probably just a good idea to put a new set of tips into it every year. It keeps that pattern proper. If you get a worn tip, it has a tendency to plug a little bit easier because there's spots in there where contamination can kind of grab onto rather than just going right through the tip. If you have any questions, you know, on tip size or tip volume or what style of tip to use, don't hesitate to call us. We're always around, so hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.